OE style. Direct fit. Item fits 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler and 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. OE part 68,140,033 AA. Omix-ADA proudly offers high-quality replacement parts for your Jeep vehicle that always meet or exceed OE standards. This replacement liftgate hinge cover fits 0717 Wrangler JK, JKU models equipped with a factory hardtop and is a direct replacement for the original, sold individually to required. Replaces OE 68,140,033 AA. Top reviews from the United States. Seems the same as OEM. Very easy to install, snaps right into place and fits perfectly on my 2014 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon Unlimited. Both of my OEM parts broke at the same time and these seem exactly the same as the OEMs.